Hello, Oregon HFMA. It's Kelly Smith, your current chapter president. But not for long, as the year comes to an end. This week, we're going to be installing our newest chapter officers, board members, and incoming co-chairs. While I'm very sad to see the time come to an end, I've had an absolute blast, and I want to say thank you for everything. It's been so much fun, and I appreciate all that you do as volunteers to make our chapter so amazing. This year, as we install our new officers, since we can't be together in person, our networking committee came up with a great way for us to do a virtual installation. I can't think of a better person to hand this baton off to than Tammie Coon. So with that, Tammie, I send you a very sparkly baton.
1, 2, 3.